Okay, Amber's fishing pole.
There you go. Cast again. Oh, you forget about the button?
Yeah.
Alright, be here, hold on. Here. Okay. Make sure it's not tangled at the end.
Hurry up.
There you go. Up, up.
Whoa.
Flip it on too. Alright. There you go. Hey, you forgot the button again.
You got a button.
Hooked him in the butt.
Yeah.
Can't do it, Dad.
Oh, God.
Like that.
Just gotta remember. So. Okay, wind it up. Wind her up.
Did you? What kind is that one?
What kind is this one, Dad?
Perch.
Perch.
A perch? Take it off the hook now.
Did you take off the hook? Let me feel it. Whoa! Dad, no.
Okay, let's put him back in the water before he dies.
I like him.
What did you catch?
2 sunfish and a bass.
2 sunfish and a bass. Huh.
Those 2 are the sunfish and that's a
I don't
bass.
see them too well, but they're in there. Hey, what do you got there?
A fish.
Whole bunch of fish?
Yeah, like that.
Alright, let's see how many.
I'm paying one first.
Well, dump them out. Wow.
Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't even count. They're so flippy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11?
11. Look, see, they're flipping closer and closer. No. Let's let them. Let's get them back in the water. Come on, shoo them in the water.
Oh.
Come on,
Hey, Daddy.
get back in there.